I hope you're having a great day. So I don't really have any updates today, but I wanted to jump on because I snuck up here on the ducks and the geese and got some footage of them. So I'll show you that. And I had a note on my calendar today to dig up and divide 2-inch tall perennials. But as you can see, and this is really for those people following me that are in the UK or Florida or different places other than the Midwest. I think in the Midwest we know our weather's crazy, but I had just came on yesterday and said all the snow was melted, and today the land is covered in white again. So that's the weather update for today. I guess not going to get anything in the ground right yet. It looks like it's cold for another few days, and then it does clear up. So it's coming, even though it doesn't look like it out here. But it's just another snowy day. And I don't have a lot to update. I just wanted to jump on and kind of give you guys a sense that don't live in the Midwest or don't have climates like this. Just, you saw the other day all the snow had melted and I was getting excited, and then of course it kicks in and dumps a bunch of snow on us, and it's 20 degrees today. So that's my update. I hope everybody in those warmer climates are having fun with their flowers or their planting, and hopefully here in the Midwest we'll be at it soon. I hope everybody's having a great day, and I hope to see you in the next one.